In this guide, we'll walk you through home charging and using Pod Point's Solo 3 chargers in a shared residential property. If you're new to our network, download the Pod Point app for free on any iOS or Android device and create an account. Firstly, you'll need to inform your property manager that you would like access to the charge points on site. Once access is granted, you'll see an icon for the chargers within the Pod Point app. To start charging, first ensure your car is switched off before plugging your charging cable in the Solo 3 charge point. Then, plug the cable into your vehicle. If your EV uses a Type 1 connector, ensure the claw is securely latched into the vehicle socket. For Type 2 connectors, ensure the vehicle is locked. The charge point's light will flash green to show it's checking the connection. When the charge is started, it will turn solid green. Find the charge point in-app by going to the Locate tab and typing in the charge point's name, found on its display, into the search bar or using its address. Select the charger and confirm the charge via the Pod Point app. Confirm the charging within 15 minutes, otherwise charging will stop. If you're in an underground car park, you may need to connect to a Wi-Fi network or exit the location to source signal. Our Solo 3 chargers vary from 3.6, 7 or 22 kilowatt, so your charge speed will depend on which one you use. They can provide up to 90 miles of range per hour of charging. These are perfect for charging your vehicle while you're at home, so that your car is ready to go whenever you need it. When you finish charging, unlock your vehicle using the key fob to unlock the cable. Then remove the cable from the car first and then the charging point second. It is very important to follow these steps in the correct order to stop the charging cable becoming stuck. Payment for charging is taken through the app, just like our public chargers. You'll only be charged for the energy that you use whilst charging. The colour of your Solo 3's status light can tell you what your Solo is doing or if there is an issue. Solid green means your Solo 3 is charging your vehicle. A flashing green light means your EV's battery is full or your EV is waiting to start a vehicle scheduled charge. Solid blue means your Solo 3 is in standby mode. A blue flashing pink light means your Solo 3 is communicating with Pod Point. A solid white light means your Solo 3 has lost its Wi-Fi connection. Solid or flashing red means there is a fault with your Solo 3 charger. If the Solo 3 charger is showing a red or white fault light, please contact our customer services team and they will be happy to help. For more information on Pod Point charge points and EV charging, subscribe to our channel. Follow us on social media to join us in our mission to put a charge point everywhere you park.